This is a 2018 Buick Lacrosse. I'm going to show you guys some common problems that you probably might go through over the years. This is the remote to it. Right now I'm trying to unlock the car, so we're going to hit the unlock button, which is this top one. And you can see the lights aren't moving, it's not doing anything, nothing is doing anything. So most likely my battery is really weak or it's bad. So to open up the door, there's a button on the back right here, the little silver button. It releases the key. And here's the key. So let's go take a look at what we need to do to start this car. So suppose you're at a mall or a friend's house. If you go up to the handle, you're gonna see there's no way to put this key, and there's no way to put it in. So what I'm gonna do is, there's a little hole right here at the bottom. Let me see if I can show it to you. You just kind of stick it in, wiggle it around a little bit, and you can see that the key came off. So now I'm gonna open up the door with the key that I got from out of the remote. Now it's, oops, now it's open. And now my alarm is gonna go crazy. What I'm gonna do is you have to excuse the noise. You're gonna go to the center console right here. You're gonna see a little slot right here. You're gonna take the keypad. You're gonna set it in that slot. Then what you're gonna do is push the brake, push the start button, and that's how you start the car. See, everything came on. And then you could just take the key back out and put the little key insert back in there. And that's how you start the car if your battery goes bad.